In healthcare, downtime isn't an inconvenience, it's risk. When systems stall, clinicians lose access to vital information, patient care slows, and safety margins shrink. AI is helping IT teams detect and resolve these issues before they interrupt care. Healthcare faces more than its share of risk. Data breaches have surged over 260% since 2019, and ransomware now accounts for nearly half of reported incidents. Attackers know that hospitals can't afford downtime, which makes them prime targets. AI strengthens healthcare defense by spotting anomalies faster than human teams can. It correlates unusual access patterns, device behavior, and network traffic, isolating threats in seconds and keeping systems available. AI also protects what matters most: patient information. It continuously verifies encryption, access control, and data flows, ensuring PHI stays private and compliant with HIPAA and FTC safeguard standards. AI doesn't just secure data, it keeps infrastructure running. Predictive maintenance identifies hardware or system stress before it fails, enabling proactive fixes and uninterrupted care delivery. In a clinical setting, AI must be held to the highest ethical standards. Every AI-driven recommendation should be transparent, auditable, and reviewed by qualified personnel. AI supports decisions. It never replaces human judgment. Healthcare organizations using AI-driven operations report significant improvements. Detection time cut by 90%, uptime nearing 99.99%, and compliance documentation time reduced by 70%. That's measurable assurance, not marketing. To start safely, automate your monitoring and reporting. Add predictive analytics to your infrastructure. Define clear AI oversight policies, and test your resilience quarterly. In healthcare, technology isn't just infrastructure, it's a lifeline. AI-enabled IT keeps that lifeline strong, secure, compliant, and ready for anything. That's the power of proactive intelligence in patient care.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.